The stock market continues to set records, and I was trying to figure out why, to pinpoint the reason why. Is it the president? What is it? Guru, why is the stock market setting records?
I don't think anyone really knows for sure, King. There are lots of theories out there about what's going on in the stock market, and my gut instinct is we're not actually going to know what's causing it until we have an adjustment, because whatever causes that adjustment or correction to the stock market, whatever event that may be, that's when people will be able to use the benefit of hindsight and turn around and say, well, that's what was causing the drive. I mean, many people think this is a giant bubble, which would be very bad news. But there's no question about the fact that we've had an absolute surge in the market since President Trump has been elected. And if you look at why, you'd have to say deregulation that he's signed off on through executive order had to be part of it. It's a business-friendly administration. Whether they like him personally or not, it comes down to he's a businessman and he's looking for ways to stimulate the economy, and that leads into the expectation that there's going to be tax reform. So I think these things are playing a significant role in what's going on with the stock market. But if you want to actually get some concrete things, corporate earnings are up. So that's something real that can be pointed to. Interest rates are still low, so borrowing is accessible. That's all good for corporate America. So tax reform, a failure in tax reform could slow things down, but I do believe there's a general optimism about the economy right now, and that's what has to be behind this in great measure. Of course, sustainability is going to be the issue, so we'll have to wait and see how long this bull run goes for.
And I know a lot of people very excited about the stock market, and the finance guru Dan Geltrude has been with us. And every Saturday morning at 8:45, Dan has a great website, dangeltrude.com. You could also visit him on Twitter at Dan Geltrude. And Dan, another great segment. Hopefully you'll have a great rest of the weekend, and we'll see you next Saturday at 8:45 a.m. and all over the national scene on Fox and Friends on Friday morning, and right here on the King Arthur Show on Saturday. It doesn't get much better than that.
No, it doesn't, King. Thanks so much.
Have a great weekend. Thanks, Guru.
You too. Bye-bye.